attention. So I could see the sincerity in each one of you. Congratulations. Yeah! Ang dami pa. As usual, nag-a-attendance ako. Advisory class ko daw sa batch na to is St. Dominic. Mang Leti, mali mga recall mo. St. John, where are you? Kukunti kayo. St. John, pati na ulit. Very good. Kaya Mang Leti, what's your name? St. Mark. Yung sumigaw. Saint Dominic. Yes, military section. Yeah. Miss Malabo. Ano sa section? Saint Luke. Sino ba advisor ng Saint Another section. Matthew. Uy, marami rin yung Matthew. Ano pa section? Nakalimutan pa ba ako? Okay na lahat. Okay, so I want to give you congratulations. Mahirap na organize ito. Congratulations to everybody, especially those who initiated this reunion. I hope this will not be the last, but this is just the beginning of you being together all the time. Good evening.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And I also would like to thank, Sister Natalia